Good morning. It's Friday. Oh my god. Oh, it's Friday 13th. That's pretty scary. You don't even have to do that with this outfit. It's pretty scary. It is really cold outside. Princess is sleeping. She already had her breakfast, of course. And I was just thinking, when I was a kid, and there would be like gatherings. There were always so many gatherings. I was just thinking, when you're the weird kid, you turn into the weird adult. Have you noticed this? Like, you don't grow out of your weirdness, in my opinion. I think when you're weird as a kid, and I'm relating to myself, when you're weird as a kid, and you're usually alone, or you have like one or two friends throughout your friendship circles, this like social kind of history, you grow up to be the same as an adult. I think your personality just like grows to envelop more experiences, but you kind of stay the same in essence. And I'm thinking, oh my god, I was always the kid. My brother was always the one who was so comfortable with everybody around, and I would be feeling like there were bugs crawling all over my body, like wanting to be out of there. Just always never comfortable in front of other people, but I was always made fun of too, so that didn't help. That probably planted the seed of insecurity. I was a chubby kid, and that was just enough to just like every time they saw me, so, and laugh about it. And I don't know, and they treat you differently when you're not cute as a kid. When you're like the chubby weird kid, like people treat you differently. Of course they do. Same as an adult. My god, it's like nothing changes. People treat you differently when you don't look a certain way. This will never change. Oh my god. So my cousins and my grand cousins and like great cousins, and like my mom was the oldest of like 10 kids, so there was just a lot of extended family, and they're scattered through Canada and Korea. And so when I lived in back east, we'd get together with the ones nearby, and there were a lot of extended family nearby because there was kind of an influx when we all kind of emigrated at the same time. Point is, I just remember vividly that my brother would always be the one socializing with everybody. No problem, man. And genuinely happy to see everybody. And I would be cringing from the moment my mom would say, we're going over to blah blah's house. Like, I'd be cringing, like, why can't I just stay home? Like, I don't want to go. And I was probably like 8, 10, 12, 14. You can name all those. 16, 18, keep going. Every single year I can remember feeling this way. Oh, I can still feel it in my body. Was anyone else like that? And if you were like that, I want to know, are you like that now? It's just so curious, because I feel like people don't really change. If you're weird as a kid, you're gonna be a weird adult. Look at me. Good morning.